Peppermint was used for medicinal purposes before being consumed as food. This nutrient, which provides incredible benefits to our body when consumed in the right amount and time, is good for almost all metabolic problems. What are the benefits of regular peppermint consumption? When and how much should be consumed? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free before moving on to the benefit. We are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of regular mint consumption? Homocysteine is an amino acid measured in the blood. When this substance is high in blood tissue, it threatens blood vessels and paves the way for heart diseases. Vitamin B9 in peppermint neutralizes excess homocysteine and protect vascular tissue, while the antioxidants in its content help reduce the formation of plaque in the vessel. It takes very important responsibilities for a healthy heart. Minerals such as copper, potassium, iron and phosphorus are very important for balancing blood pressure. The blood sugar lowering effect of this food is due to the plant compounds it contains. When the fiber in it is consumed, it swells in the stomach and prolongs the digestion process. In addition, mint is a very good source of fiber, which helps digest food. With a high dietary fiber content, it provides the nutrition of beneficial bacteria that are very important for intestinal health. Thanks to the plant compounds in the body part, it helps to neutralize the substance called Helicobacter pylori, which is one of the main causes of stomach problems such as gastritis. It protects the inner wall of the stomach and prevents acid imbalances. In addition, with its contribution to blood sugar, it facilitates weight control when consumed with meals. Containing a high amount of healthy fiber that promotes fat loss, this herb prolongs satiety and prevents unnecessary calorie intake. At the same time, zinc and vitamin B6, which play a vital role in our mental health, are found in very rich amounts in mint. It is also rich in magnesium, which has important effects on nervous system activity. These compounds increase the effectiveness of electrical signals to the brain. On the other hand, consuming mint regularly is one of the easiest ways to get high amounts of preservatives and antioxidants into our body. These compounds help the body fight bacterial diseases by activating immune cells. So, is there any harm in such a beneficial food? First of all, although the fiber contained in mint has positive activities for the intestinal system, it can create some negative effects by occupying the digestive system more than necessary when consumed in large quantities. In addition, the world of alternative medicine is currently using foods such as mint, parsley and rosemary to make medicine. Therefore, it has the potential to interact with some medication. If you take medication regularly, consult your doctor before adding such powerful herbs to your diet. So how much mint should be consumed? Consumption of mint at regular intervals is very important. Consuming a pinch of mint every day will increase your health level. In the light of this information, you can add mint to your diet and benefit from its long-term benefit. If you like our video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay safe, stay informed.